Hello guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how I get my eyebrows the way that I like them. So come along. So the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to take one of my favorite eyebrow pencils, and this is LA Colors eyeliner pencil that I use for my brows in medium brown because my hair is like a light brown, almost blonde color, not quite platinum. So first thing that I do is I use short strokes to carve out the shape of my eyebrows that I feel like wearing. I don't have much of an eyebrow, so in a sense, I am building my eyebrows. I've gotten compliments on my eyebrows saying they look like they've been tattooed or microbladed or something like that. But this is a technique I've been using for years, whether I am brunette, redhead, or blonde. Those are the three colors that I bounce between. I still use this technique with one of my brow pencils, and I just take my time and use short strokes. You don't want to do a line because you don't want to have any harsh lines, so you want to do short, light strokes on your eyebrows. There is a saying that your eyebrows are sisters and not twins, and some days mine be cousins. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but I still take my time and use the short strokes on my eyebrows to give it a nice natural look and to kind of ease into the shape of the arch that I want to frame my face for that day. So one of the blessings about not having much of an eyebrow is that I can arch my eyebrows in like many different ways. I don't have to stick to one shape of an eyebrow. So there's a blessing in everything, guys. Just remember that no matter what's going on or how it looks, there is a blessing and there is a bright side to everything in every situation. So here I'm just evening up the top of my eyebrows, and I'm just making sure, looking from the camera to my mirror, because it's kind of hard to do this in the mirror. So I'm looking in my mirror and my camera at the same time. So this is my favorite small angle brush that I am going to load up my concealer with, and this is this is a brush concealer. All of these things I've gotten from my local beauty supply house, so this technique is also very inexpensive for my ladies that are on a budget. I am on a very tight budget right now, but still like to look good. So after loading up my angle brush, and this is a small one, I take my concealer and I just trace up under my eyebrow. I'm also going to do the top of my eyebrow. Now what this does, this acts as a highlighter. It also acts as the eraser, and it also acts like it has, like you gotten a fresh um, arch to your eyebrow. It really brings out the arch. Okay, so any mistakes that you've done while doing your eyebrow, you can easily erase it with the concealer that is on your brush. So take your time. You don't need a lot. I don't put a lot on my brush because I don't want the concealer to stick out and have any harsh lines, but I just make sure that I use a thin, kind of pale amount of concealer on my brush and just take my time and go at the top and the bottom of my eyebrow, and you're going to see the huge difference of how bright my face is lit up when I use my concealer on my eyebrows. I use this technique every time I do my eyebrows. So the next thing I'm going to do is take this flat brush, and this is a flat medium brush, and I'm just going to start to blend out my concealer. Now, be careful with doing this because you want to take your time and do this because you will erase everything on your face, okay? Like the hard work that you took to put the eyebrow up there will be gone if you just don't take your time and do short little strokes. Believe me, I have done this where I have had my eyebrow perfect, blended out my concealer, and lost like 2/3 of my eyebrows. So just take your time and blend out the concealer around the eyebrow. You want to highlight, but you do not want a harsh line. No harsh lines. They do not help at all. So I'm blending out the other side for my eyebrow, and you're going to see here in a minute exactly what I was talking about. One of the top of my eyebrow, one is higher than the other because I just went in with that blending because I do not like harsh lines. But I'm going to show you how I fixed it. A very, very easy fix. So you can see, you can almost see it right here, the difference between both of the eyebrows. And I do this quite often, but it is a easy fix. As you can tell, there's a big difference and I am noticing it. So I'm just going to take my pencil again. I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to go to the top of the eyebrow that is not as high as the other one and just do again small short strokes to get the eyebrow to be as even as the other eyebrow, or as even as possible that I can get it. So this is the technique that I use for my eyebrows. I do this every time I leave the house and every time I do my makeup, even if I'm not doing excuse me, even if I'm not doing full glam and I am just doing a natural look, even if I just want a what do they call it, make a no makeup look, that's what they call it. I still do this technique with my eyebrows because to me it frames my face and the concealer brightens up my face. So that's me and my technique with my eyebrows. I hope you will try this out. If you do, let me know. Let me know how you like it. So with that being said, give me a like, a comment, and a share. Hit that notification button, guys, so you can tell when I drop new content. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down and let me know. But this is my technique for my eyebrows. I'll talk to you guys soon.